Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy UpNextMal. I'm coming out with another video. Hey man, say man, look, RETWISTED in the building. Dreadhead Mal in the building. Hoodie Mal in the building. All right, so I had some people talk to me about asked me a question about and really analyzed how I really hold on, I'm about to answer that. But I really some people asked me about instant locks and stuff like that, my opinion on instant locks and stuff like that. In these last week, really, I done saw two people with instant locks. One person was white and the other person was black. White people, y'all be having dreads now. That's what I'm noticing, like a lot more white people with dreads. Maybe I'm just seeing this now. Maybe this been going on, but I'm seeing a lot more white people with dreads. You know what I'm saying? I'm seeing a lot more black people with dreads too. You feel me? Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just noticing. You know what I'm saying? Because you know how like when you looking for something, you notice it a lot, but when you ain't really looking for nothing, that probably went over your head. But straight to the point, right? Talk about instant locks, right? Instant locks to me, you gotta get like a crochet and do the little instant lock shit like that. That shit look painful to me. I don't know, that little crochet method, that jump look painful to me. I think I got my first retwist on the comb. You know what I'm saying? So a person had a comb and they were just retwisting it with the comb. You feel me? It was like a purple looking, twisting looking comb. I don't know, that jump was weird. But I paid like $45. Like I was back in my city, man. $45 for a retwist. You dig what I'm saying? So I get my hair retwisted every 2 to 3 months. You feel me? I'll still be on the same stuff. A lot of people keep asking me, when do I get my hair retwisted? Man, too. If you want to be like these other people, get your hair retwisted. Damn, man. Hold on. If you want to be like these other people, man, get your hair retwisted 2 to 3 months. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, do that. You know what I'm saying? But if you wanna, like, I'm on my own journey. You feel what I'm saying? So that's why a lot of people fuck with me and my dreads, bro. Cause I be on my own journey, bro. I be chilling, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got my hair retwisted in I think about 4 days. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just put my phone over here. Bitch keep going off and shit. During my interview. So yeah, like I was saying, bro. I wouldn't. It depends on what y'all looking for. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing no, I'm gonna just say, I ain't gonna say I wouldn't prefer it, because it depends on what you're looking for. A lot of people ask me what type of, I just made a video on that a while ago, so if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go check that out. What type of retwist and when, what type of retwist should you get, this and the third. A lot of these answers are your preference, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not looking for that specific look, so I'm not gonna get no instant dreadlocks. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna do that because I don't really care for that look. You know what I'm saying? So I like the way my dreads are set up. I like the way my dreads are formatted and stuff like that. So I go to the same person. You feel me? And I'm really thinking about taking. I know I keep blinking so in my eye, but I'm really thinking about taking dread retwisting class, and I know that don't sound crazy. But I'm gonna take a course on this shit, man. I'm gonna take a course on this shit because, man, I'm about to really tap into this shit. You know what I'm saying? So I see the money out there, so I'm gonna just tap into this shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we on now. At first I wasn't interested until y'all made me interested into this shit. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't really interested with dreads, but I really just had them just to go through a journey or something like that, and I documented my journey, and that's how it all started. I might make a video called how it all started, how my dread journey started. You know what I'm saying? I might make a video like that, 1 through year 2, something like that, with pictures and something like that. That's actually a great idea. I'm gonna go ahead and write that down right now. But yeah, I don't really For my style, I don't really prefer how it started. Alright, so I don't really prefer it. I be having to write my ideas down, you know what I'm saying? If I don't write them down, I ain't gonna never get to them. But I don't really prefer it for my hairstyle. But I mean, if that's what you into, I would prefer you to look up people with instant locks, see how you like them. To me, that them bitches be looking stiff as hell. You see, like, if I untwist these, which I'm gonna untwist very soon, probably within the next week or so. When I untwist these, y'all gonna see like, oh damn, like his dreads look like this, his dreads look like that. But I ain't even seen my dreads lately, cause it been in a 2-strand twist for like how long this shit been? 2 to 3 months, something like that. I'm gonna make one more dread update video for y'all tomorrow, and then we gonna get straight to the untwisting and this and that and the third for y'all. You feel me? So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I appreciate y'all for coming through. I'm about to create like a chat, a Discord, something like that. And I'm gonna catch y'all for us later, bro.